Biodiversity. Content, introduction, concept of biodiversity and its types, distribution of biodiversity, biodiversity and balance of nature, benefits of biodiversity, threats to biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity, biodiversity of India, and Convention on Biodiversity, conclusion and references. The term biodiversity was first coined by Walter G. Rosen in 1986. The biosphere comprises of a complex collection of innumerable organisms known as the biodiversity, which constitute the vital life support for survival of human race. Biological diversity, abbreviated as biodiversity, represent the sum total of various life forms such as unicellular fungi, protozoa, bacteria, and multicellular organisms such as plants, fishes, and mammals at various biological levels, including genes, habitat, and ecosystem. Biodiversity, what does bio means? Bio equal to life. Diversity. What does diversity means? Diversity equal to variety. Concept and types of biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety of life forms on Earth and the essential interdependence of all living things. As defined in Convention on Biological Diversity, signed at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1992 by 154 countries. As defined in Convention on Biological Diversity, signed at Rio de Janeiro, Brazil in 1992 by 154 countries. The biodiversity defined as the variability among living organisms from all sources, including inter alia, terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic ecosystems, and the ecological complexes of which the area part. This includes diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystem. According to IUCN in 1998, the variety and variability of species of their population, the variety of species of their life form, the diversity of the complex association with species, with their interaction and their ecological process, which influence, perform. There are three types of biodiversity: diversity of species, diversity of ecosystem, and diversity of genes. Distribution of biodiversity. Flora and fauna diversity depends on climate, altitude, soil, presence of other species. Most of the biodiversity concentrated in tropical region. Biodiversity hotspot, a region with high biodiversity with most of species being endemic. India have two biodiversity hotspots, East Himalayan region and Western Ghat. This is the East Himalayan region and this is the Western Ghat region. Biodiversity and balance of nature, tropic level. Elimination of species from tropic level can cause destruction of ecosystem as well as biodiversity. Plants in forest, deer and lion. Complex ecosystem. In complicated ecosystem having several tropic level, loss of one or more species do not cause any serious problem because the alternative is available. Keystone species. Loss or addition of species cause detectable change in ecosystem rate, that is, species make unique contribution to ecosystem functioning. Niche complementary. Difference among species in their requirement for different resources will cause complementary interaction so that a species could obtain more resources. Threat to biodiversity. Natural causes, narrow geographical area, low population, low breeding rate, natural disasters. Anthropogenic causes, habitat modification, overexploitation of selected species, and innovation by exotic species. Benefits of biodiversity. consumptive value, food and drink, fuel, medicine, better crop varieties, and industrial material. Non-consumptive values are recreation, education and research, and traditional value. Ecological services, balance of nature, biological productivity, regulation of climate, degradation of waste, cleaning of air and water, cycling of nutrients, control of potential pest and diseases causing species, detoxification of soil and sediment, stabilization of land against erosion, carbon sequestration and global climate change, maintenance of soil fertility. Threat to biodiversity, natural cause, narrow geographical area, low population, low breeding rate, natural disaster, anthropogenic causes, habitat modification, overexploitation of selected species, and innovation by exotic species. Pollution, hunting, global warming and climate change, agriculture, and domino effect. Recent issues on biodiversity. Some 75% of the genetic diversity of cropland been lost in the past century. Some scientists estimate that as many as 3 species per hour are going extinct and 20,000 extinction occur each year. Roughly one third of the world's coral reef system have been destroyed or highly degraded. About 24% of mammals and 12% of bird species are currently considered to be globally threatened. More than 50% of the world's wetlands have been drained, and population of inland water and wetland species have declined by 50% between 1970 and 1999. Conservation of biodiversity. Biodiversity inventories, conserving biodiversity in protected habitat, in situ conservation, ex situ conservation, seed bank, gene bank, pollen bank, and DNA bank. Restoration of biodiversity, imparting environmental education, enacting, strengthening, and enforcing environmental legislation, population control, reviewing the agricultural practice, controlling urbanization, conservation through biotechnology. Biodiversity conservation, in situ conservation, and ex situ conservation. In situ conservation, sacred groves and lakes, biosphere reserves, national parks, and wild sanctuaries. Biosphere reserves are terrestrial and marine. Ex situ conservation, sacred plant home garden, seed bank, gene bank, cryopreservation, and third, botanical garden, zoological garden, and aquaria. Biodiversity in India, in chart, mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and freshwater fishes. With their species threatened in India, Biodiversity Convention. The first convention on biodiversity organized at Rio de Janeiro, capital of Brazil, from June 5th to 16 in 1992, named as United Nations Conference on Environment and Development, that is UNCED, better known as Rio Summit, to maintain ecological balance and enrich biodiversity. The Agreement of Biodiversity signed by 150 countries, including 3 programs. First, to ensure conservation of biodiversity. Second, sustainable use of biodiversity. And third, rational and equitable share of profit to accrue from use of genetic resources. The second convention, organized at Johannesburg in 2002, called World Summit and Sustainable Development, that is WSSD, where the biodiversity and sustainable ecosystem management was the issue. The international conference held on biodiversity in relation to food and human security in warming planet 15 to 17 February 2010 in Chennai. International Conference on Wildlife and Biodiversity Conservation held on 3rd to 5th June 2010 at Dal Lake, Srinagar, Kashmir. Indian Biodiversity Congress (IBC) and Indian Biodiversity Expo (IBE) will be held on 27th to 31st December at Trivandrum in Tiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Conclusion: biodiversity is our life. If the biodiversity got lost at this rate, then in near future the survival of human being will be threatened. So it is our moral duty to conserve biodiversity as well as our environment. Long-term maintenance of species and their management requires cooperative effort across entire landscape. Biodiversity should be dealt with at scale of habitat or ecosystem rather than at species level. These are the references. Thank you.